How to download apps on Windows, computer, or laptop. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process, which is very easy to do if you want to download applications on your computer. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So the easiest method you can do is you can go ahead, and if you're on Windows, you can just go to Microsoft Store. So you can search Microsoft Store here and open it up within your system like this, and there you can go ahead and find all of the games and applications that are trending. You can categorize it, filter it out. You can go to apps and look out for the different applications available. You can filter it out like for productivity, entertainment, business, music, etc., whatever you prefer. You can even go to the gaming hub right here to look out for only games kind of applications, and you think look out for the games that you think is something you would like to install. And you can even go to AI hub and look out for the AI applications available here. So for now, let's head over to home. So all you gotta do in order to go ahead and install a certain application is you can use the search bar at the top and search for a certain application, or you can go through homepage itself and look out for the application from the suggestions. For now, let's head over and look out for this app. So if you would like to download Netflix, all you gotta do is simply search for Netflix, and you can go ahead and click on the app itself. Once you go ahead and click on the app itself, you will be easily finding an option for Get that will let us install it. So look out for this Get option and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be easily downloading the application. So wait for a bit. It may take about a minute or two for the application to be downloaded, depending upon the size of the application itself. You just need to wait, and that should install the application. You can just go ahead and do so. Similarly, if you'd like to download any other application apart from just one, you can just go to the application itself and then look out for the install or get option, and that should let you download the application. And once it is installed, you can set it up on your device. So that is it. You can follow up the simple step if you'd like to download the applications or apps on your device. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.